Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here, one of the popular smartwatch right now in the market. It is becoming a favorite smartwatch for those who are looking for an affordable and at the same time feature-packed smartwatch. It's the upgrade of the very popular T500 Smartwatch. We have seen a version of this, the T500 Plus Smartwatch. We also have the T500 Max, and now we have the T500 Plus Pro Smartwatch. So I think it is using a Watch Support App. So it is the Watch 6. So we have here the model T500 Plus Smartwatch, and right now we're going to check its design, of course its features and menus, if we still have the time. Right now we're just going to have a unboxing and checking all the design features as well as other items included in the wearable. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. So we have here the logo here from the store. It says it's an original version of the T500 Plus smartwatch, and so far very good. We got it online, very fast shipment. So we have here the smartwatch. We have the user manual. So we'll check it out. So we have the QR code here. I'm not sure if it's using the Watch support app or any other support app. I think for the T500 Plus Max it is using the Fit Pro. This one we'll check it out. If it's a Fit Pro or a Watch support app. But here's the user manual, available in English and Chinese language. So we have the smartwatch here. We have the strap, flexible sporty strap. We also have the charging cradle. It's not wireless charging, but I think it's magnetic if I'm not mistaken. Usually most of the charging cradle like this do have a magnet. No, we don't have any magnet here. Let's see again. So there's some magnet, a slight magnet, as you can see. So here's the back cover here of the T500 Plus smartwatch. Let's remove this. The screen seems like we have a slim bezel here on top right, and on the left side here on the bottom part it's a bit wide. We have the flat finish, black color. Still have the pill shape button here and the crown button on top of it. See it here. So let's attach this one. Again, similar to other Series 7 and Series 6 smartwatches, the strap is force fitting. There's no lock. So we have it attached now. So do we have the details here? So app function, you have the features here. So available in Android and iOS platform. So it has a full color screen. We have an ECG based on here on the bottom part. Back cover here. You have a ceramic case. So 45, it says 45 millimeter. It's not 44. It has Series 7 45 millimeter aluminum and ceramic case. I think it's aluminum alloy, not a zinc alloy. But based on some of the specs on shopping site, it says zinc alloy here. It has an ECG heart rate. Okay, Bluetooth watch. We expect it to have a Bluetooth call also. Okay, as well as a blood pressure and blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so there's some confusion here. It says it is a Series 7 smartwatch, but here on the box it says it is Series 6 44 millimeter. I think the correct case for this one is 44 millimeter, as mostly, okay, Series 7 smartwatches or Series 6 smartwatches do have a 44 millimeter body. Okay, so let's try to turn it on if we still have the power left. Okay. Okay, so there's a speaker, very loud speaker. Okay, nice color to it. Does it work? So it works. Okay, so we have a crown button here to scroll on menus and watch faces. So sadly we don't have a battery left, as you can see here on the battery stats. Okay, so we have a split screen. Okay, so it is in a different language. Okay, does it work? The back button here. Okay, we thought that we do have a button here on this side. Okay, seems like it's not working. It is just a display. Okay, I tried to press it, but it's not working here. Okay, cancel. Okay, the settings is on the bottom part. It's not on the top part. Okay, we'll check and change it language when we charge it. Okay, we'll show it again next time. Okay, so pressing. Okay, I wonder if where are the menus for this one. Okay, okay, again we have what we thought as a physical button here, but it's not working. Okay, it's just a display. Okay, nope, it's not a push button. So the only button that works here is this one, the crown button here. You can scroll, you can press, and that's it. Okay, so the Bluetooth connection. Okay, so we'll check more on the features and menus of the T500 Plus smartwatch. But so far, okay, that's it for our unboxing. Okay, checking on its design and of course a bit of preview of its menus and functionalities here, the features. Okay, so far it looks okay, very affordable wearable. Okay, I think it has a very good specs also for this one. You can check it out, the links below for its functions, okay, and specifications. For the support app, we are going to check if it's using the Watch app or the Fit Pro app, similar to the 500 Plus Max smartwatch. Okay, so we are going to check. So watch out for our second video review of this one, the menus and features of the T500 Plus Pro smartwatch. Again, the contents are, it comes with a strap, okay, the body, the user manual, and the charging cradle here that is somewhat magnetic. Okay, the wearable is available in different color options, so we pick this one, the black, the classic black. Okay, we have a slim bezel here on top left and right, but on the bottom part it's a bit wide. Okay, just okay, similar to other wearables that we have seen here in the Series 7. Okay, we have buttons here, or button. We have the crown button here. We have the speaker or the mic. And this one, it's not working, the button on the bottom side. Just a display. Okay, somewhat like an inset. Okay, button, but it's not working. The back is ceramic. The body is aluminum. Okay, alloy, I think, case. Okay, so that's it for the T500 Plus Pro smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we have the time. Bye.